They walk in and look around, it's like, wow. We want you to come in, lift the lids, and enjoy the aromas. Hi, I'm Colleen from the original Spice and Tea Exchange of St. Augustine, and we are a must-do experience. I let everybody know the highlight of our store is our custom blends. We make over 90 blends with our own recipes, and we have a lot of recipes. Our signature blend, which does have our infamous dado pepper that's indigenous here to St. Augustine. That is my go-to for everything. We have many spices, peppers, and a lot of fun seasonings from all over the world. And we also have a tea bar here. We serve hot and iced tea to go. Nothing like a nice refreshing cup of tea. All of our teas are loose, and we get them from over 40 different countries from indigenous growers. And also one of the fun things that we have here as well is we make our own soy candles made with a lot of our own teas. St. Augustine is home to so many great flavors to enjoy. A must-do recommendation from me is St. Augustine Experiences. They offer a lot of phenomenal food and beverage tours with great history. We look forward to you coming in. Come in and get a little spicy so you can have a terrific day.